Now it seems that SHTTP and HTTPS should be the same thing. We've got the same letters there, right? But SHTTP is actually different than HTTPS. SHTTP is an older technology that allows applications, usually web servers, to encrypt individual messages and send them to the receiver. So let's say that you're interacting with a web server and you ask for some type of data, and the web server has been programmed to know that that's sensitive data that can't go over in clear text. So it's going to use SHTTP to encrypt just that message and send it over to you. But now we don't use that very much, SHTTP. What we use is SSL, which is HTTPS. And what that means is HTTP is an application layer protocol. It's an application layer protocol that communicates with web-based applications. So your browser, when your browser needs to send something over the internet, your browser is going to communicate with HTTP, and then it goes down the network stack, and then there's SSL at the transport layer, and that's where the encryption takes place. So nowadays we use SSL, and we just encrypt the whole channel. That's what it means by using HTTPS, is that whole channel is encrypted. And you'll know if there's a secure SSL channel set up because, like, you have a lock at the bottom of your browser. It depends on the type of browser, but also up in the URL it will say HTTPS. Now, SSL doesn't work just with HTTP. You can run FTP and other protocols over it. It's just this is the common way of doing it.